Manager. Manager is the one who achieve goals by working with or through people. For example, a restaurant manager is in charge of the whole restaurant. Managers. Managers perform management in the organization. For example, managers are responsible for controlling and overseeing the entire organization. They develop goals, strategic plans, company policies, and make decisions on the direction of the business. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like and share to Extraordinary RJ channel. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask any question related to this video.